Let me take you on a journey to my beloved homeland. I was on my way home to beat the oppressive heat of Delhi. Did I choose the wrong season to travel? It was the monsoons, and the northeast is one of the wettest places on earth. The Delhi sky, however, was overcast, oppressive, and very, very humid. Thankfully, my cab was air-conditioned, even though the heat was unbearable. I waited at the airport and decided to have a quick drink. As you can see, the airport had an eclectic variety of spirits. I went in for a gin and tonic, as that is one of my favorite drinks. We'll talk about spirits and cocktails in future videos. Now, I was in the right spirit to take on the 3-hour journey. Fasten your seat belts and we are ready to take off. Hello, Mizoram! And in no time, the landscape began to change outside. I could see a verdant layer of hill upon hill upon hill, far into the distance. Fluffy clouds floating in the air. I could sense it in my bones. The magic of Mizoram was about to entice me. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for the flight and the ride of a lifetime. Welcome to Mizoram, Northeast India's hidden paradise.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वे अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध में रखें. Requesting passengers to remain seated.
Nestled in the northeastern corner of India, Mizoram is a land of breathtaking beauty and rich culture. Join us as we explore this hidden gem of the Seven Sister States. Mizoram is a semi-tropical paradise where the weather is moderate throughout the year without any extremities. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this state, which is home to about 1.25 million people. Behold, the stunning vistas of mist-colored hills and valleys stretching as far as the eye can see. This breathtaking beauty that you see is home to me. Welcome again to Mizoram, my homeland, my birthplace. These are the hills and valleys where I spent most of my childhood and teenage years. It was glorious. It was magnificent. It was something that I will cherish and appreciate for the rest of my life. Upon reaching home, the first thing I did was walking the highest hill of our village to pay a homage to all the people who were born, raised, and who had influenced me in many ways, and the people whom I did not even know who had passed on to the afterlife centuries before I was even born. Nothing had changed as I slowly walked up towards the mountaintop. It was serene, it was quiet. It was very early in the morning, and it had rained tremendously the previous night before, and the whole area was verdant and lush, and there was a beautiful fragrance in the air. I continued walking alongside the terraces filled with tombstones of loved ones who had passed on to the afterlife. I said a silent prayer in my heart as I bowed and prayed silently, surrounded by magnificent mountains and the beautiful sky above me. I had reached the highest peak of the mountain, and I saw a church far in the horizon, slowly coming into view. I was walking on familiar terrain, and it brought back nostalgic memories even as I shed a quiet tear. Welcome to my village, Chaltlang. I remember walking these quiet streets as a child with a heavy school bag on my shoulders. It was so nostalgic. The jackfruit tree had long since grown into a magnificent visage. Welcome to magical Mizoram, the untouched paradise.